guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing my MacBook Pro. Oh my gosh, I have literally been waiting for this for like 2.5 weeks now, and it finally came today, so we're gonna unbox it. So I decided to move over to my bed. So there's a pull tab right here. Don't worry, my address is crossed out. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay, so it's upside down. Let's put it. And then just take it out. Oh my goodness, y'all. Ah! So there's another pull tab right here. Okay, so let me try to get it closer to the camera. Okay, that was the most satisfying part. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so crazy. Okay. So I'm just gonna move you up a little bit. Wow. It's a lot larger than I thought it was. Okay, so here it is. Let me just gently take it out. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna set it to the side and go over the board and stuff. So obviously you have like the design packet. Sorry, that was my sister's ears. So we have like the Apple stickers, how to like turn it on and use it, which I might refer to that later because this is my first MacBook, y'all. Okay. Then obviously the block and a charger, and that's it. Okay. So let us get started to do this out. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. She is so pretty. Look at her. She's okay, she's definitely small. That's okay. Okay. So now we're just going to. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've watched a ton of unboxing videos. Yep, it turned on. Okay. Y'all, can we get out of the camera? Sorry, my sister was in it. She's still okay. So you guys see she's turning on. Ah! Okay, so Siri should turn on soon. Anytime now. I've watched a ton, so Siri's gonna speak. Okay, so now we're just gonna set it up. So she's a press her turn key. Oh my gosh, it's so. I'm freaking out. Okay, so we're doing our country. And now we gotta put in our Wi-Fi. Oh shoot. So we moved over to the desk and I just got the Wi-Fi, so EET. Oh my god, the keyboard is so nice. I am shook. It doesn't feel any different really from my Dell Chromebook that I got from school. Okay, she's connecting. Still connecting. So Okay, so we're at the terms and conditions part. So we're just gonna agree with them without reading them, because who reads them? Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna say, just putting in my password.
Call me anytime in the day and night, it doesn't matter to me. I'll be by your side no matter what the
iCloud. Okay. And I think Touch ID should be next, if I'm not mistaken. There's so much of a glare, so I'm sorry, but it's setting up. Okay. So we're just gonna sit here, I guess. I'm just gonna look at it. Share crash and YouTube data. As developers, sure. And I got it with Final Cut Pro. Do I want to see screen time? Okay. We're gonna set up screen time. And we can share our iCloud analytics with Apple. So say continue. Siri? Okay, let's do that. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Okay, she's done. You're saying no. This is so motherfucking nice. Ah! Okay, Touch ID. Okay, so it's telling us before I show you, it's showing. Can you all see on the touch bar? It's literally showing like an arrow pointing there. Can you see that? Yeah, that's cool. Okay, anyways, so I'm gonna use this finger. That was very easy. It literally took like 4 seconds. So I can do that later. Put my credit card on here. Ah! So now it's asking us to choose our look. I already know that I want to do dark mode because that's what I have my phone on. And dark mode is elite. You cannot tell me otherwise. Anyways, we'll just do that. Okay, it's setting up now. It's setting up. Ah! No, look at that. Okay, so there's updates to install, so we can go ahead and install those just to get it out of the way. And automatic updates are turned on, so yes. Okay, so I think what we're going to start by doing is we're going to set some stuff in system preferences. So first of all, there's something asking about my FAD. Continue. So I'm sorry, I don't even know why it is. Okay, so I think what I'll do is I'll sign out of my Apple ID. Wait, completely.
be by your side no matter what the price. It could be anything. I don't know what to do when not around you. I need you here with me. Baby, can you come a little closer? Baby, you set off a tune up in my head. Every time you walk in the room, I drop dead. I cannot lie, I look to the sky and say, please, oh God, can you make her my wife? Something about you I cannot let go. I don't gotta tell you, you already know.
Okay, so it says it's waiting for approval, so I'm gonna see if it's gonna let me approve it for my phone, which it didn't want, so I'll be right back. So I'm here with the Mac, and I just signed out so I could re-sign in because it wasn't allowing me to sign back in nicely, so I don't know why. Anyways, I'm signing back in. Seeing if it's gonna be nice to me now. Okay, so I think I'll do some of this later since it's just not working right now. We're going to, I like the size of it, like this size, I like the size, and we're not going to minimize it or anything, but we can, oh, interesting, yeah, look at that, there's Final Cut Pro, main stage 3 compressor, motion, and Logic Pro X. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first I need to figure out how to remove stuff from here. Okay, so I right click, I'm guessing, no, right click, and then I click options and you can go. FaceTime, messages, maps, I don't want it. So, oops. Hello. Don't see that? Oh, she's updating now. So while she's updating, I'm just gonna go over like the box stuff. So we're gonna wrap this over. No, she's updating. You guys saw your setup. Anyways, oops, I was trying to make this aesthetic and I just kind of failed, but that's okay. So if you guys can see there's like an apple in there, which I think this is new. I don't think I've seen it on Apple Block from one of my friends. Oh shit. Anyways, I dropped her already. And then we have the so the cable is actually like pretty long, which if it'll unravel, that'd be awesome. Okay, so with the cable like fully unraveled, this baby is long, like she's long. So at least we know that our cable works. And, I mean, like I can sit on my bed and edit and stuff comfortably because this cable is long. Okay, so I'm just gonna plug this in, and then I have our other side, which I ordered the Mac with just the 2 Thunderbolt 3s on this side. On this side, it's only the headphone jack, so I have to like, go all the way around. Okay, she's charging. Wow. I'm waiting for her to finish updating. It says it has about 8 minutes remaining. So now I guess we'll go over this. So this just says like a bunch of information that is unnecessary. We don't really need it. Is that? Y'all ain't tell me. Annoying. Anyways, we have the 2 apple stickers, which are funny because they match the color that I got. I got space gray. Forgot to say that. And for anyone wondering like the tech stuff, I'll talk about that later. So it says welcome to MacBook Pro. We have 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C, and it shows like how it is, so where the spotlight is, mini bar, FaceTime, camera, finder, dock, and system preferences. Now the touch bar, the fingerprints, force touch trackpad. The pad, it like doesn't go down. I mean, you can feel it, but like it doesn't actually like go down, if that makes sense, which a lot of people talk about in their videos. And that's basically it in this. Not much.
Time in the day and night, it doesn't matter to me. I'll be by your side no matter what the price. It could be anything. I don't know what to do when not around you. I need you here with me. Baby, can you come a little closer? Baby, you set off a tune up in my head every time.
Yay! She's cute. Okay. Packages and
Can you make her my wife? Something about you I cannot let go. I don't gotta tell you, you already know I'm obsessed.
So she uploaded by herself. We love that. Okay, so we finally got the encryption to work now. So hey guys, I'm a bad YouTuber. This is editing Mariana right now. I literally just finished like rough cutting and everything, and I realized I never filmed an outro, which I guess I should. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will have a MacBook customization video coming out soon. Maybe, I'm still debating because I'm not really the best at showing you guys how to do stuff. So it might come, it might not. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe, like, and comment down below. If you got to this part, comment peony in the comment section below so I can see and I'll know that you watched the whole video through. Anyways, thank you guys. Bye.